Hi everyone. Hope everyone is in good health and you're doing good. Welcome to my channel Art of Mastering. Today we are going to see how to prepare salad at home. So I'm going to show you the ingredients for preparing the salad, and it's a very simple recipe for the salad. So we'll just go to the ingredients part. So we have bought mixed lettuce from Carrefour Market here in Dubai. This is a mixed lettuce. Then you can see we have grapes, we have almonds, we have mint. Then we have prepared a dressing for it. We have different ingredients which are olive oil, then chili flakes, then herbs, oregano, honey. Then some of the for preparation of dressing we have used some of the mayonnaise. Then we have pepper, black pepper. We have a main content mixed lettuce. In mixed lettuce you can see we have iceberg, we have purple cabbage. On top of that we have broccoli. This broccoli we have boiled it, and you can see the color of broccoli is still green. Generally when we are boiling the broccoli, the color is getting fade away and it turns white. But in this case we have there is a trick for the keeping the color to green. So we have added some amount of sugar while we are boiling in this broccoli. On along with broccoli you can see we have paneer. Then we have red and yellow pepper, which will be used when in this salad making. So now I will show you, I will just give you the details how we prepare dressing. Dressing is one of the vital part in salad. If the dressing is good, everything is good. So dressing, what we used is we have used curd, 3 or 4 spoons. Then we have used 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Then we have used mint, and we have used olive oil for the preparation of dressing. So this dressing, it is like a magical part for the salad. Okay, now you can see this paneer and this yellow and red pepper. We are going to stir fry them, and then we are going to mix all the ingredients for making the salad. Now we will see how we are going to make stir fry for paneer and this pepper. Okay, so guys, we are now going to see how we are going to stir fry paneer and this red and yellow pepper. So we are taking paneer and these into frying pan. So we have, you can see we have olive oil as a frying agent, and we have black pepper along with olive oil. So don't fry it for more than 3 to 4 minutes, because we want to keep the crunchiness of paneer and these veggies. We don't want to deep fry it. Basically we want to stir fry it. So we have added some amount of salt as per taste while we are frying the paneer and pepper. Now we are adding broccoli after 1 minute, 1 to 1.5 minutes. So we are going to fry broccoli as well. So we have stir fried it, and now we are going to add it in a bowl. So this is paneer and pepper, yellow and red pepper, added into the bowl, salad bowl. We are also going to add grapes and almond. You can even add lemon juice. And this is the dressing. We are going to add it. Yeah, so that's all. So guys, we are going to mix it now. We are going to mix it in a bowl. So you can see how we are doing it. So we have added, you can add the contents based on your requirement, like almond for example. You can add as per your taste, the quantity wise. So now we are just serving it into the plate after after mixing it. So you can see the salad, really amazing. The texture and the dressing, everything looks perfect. We are going to add a bit of honey as per your taste. We like it, so we are going to add it. And if you want, you can even add lemon on top of this. So guys, we have served a mixed salad here in the plate. You can see the texture, amazing texture, and the taste is also really nice. So you can give a try for the preparation of this salad. Very simple. Just we have taken 12 odd minutes to prepare this. Obviously you need all the ingredients ready with you, so as to you can prepare the salad. So thanks a lot for watching. If you like the salad recipe, do like our channel, do subscribe to my channel Art of Mastering, and do share the channel with your friends and family. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.